Stop joint pain and arthritis naturally. 10 powerful foods to transform your health. The silent epidemic of joint pain. Imagine waking up each morning with joints so stiff it feels like your body's rusted overnight. Or maybe you're wincing with every step, wondering if this nagging pain will ever let up. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. In the United States, over 58 million adults battle arthritis, a condition that doesn't just disrupt your day-to-day life but can spiral into chronic disability if ignored. The scariest part? Many of us are already experiencing early warning signs: morning stiffness, swollen joints, or that creeping ache that seems to worsen with time. But here's the good news: you can fight back, and it starts with what's on your plate. Hi, I'm Dr. Richard Stedman, a medical researcher with over 20 years of experience studying human health and natural remedies. Today, I'm diving deep into a topic that could change your life: how to stop joint pain and arthritis naturally using 10 simple, everyday foods. Inspired by the incredible work of natural health advocate Barbara O'Neill, I've expanded her insights with cutting-edge research, practical tips, and delicious recipes to make your journey to pain-free living both achievable and exciting. Whether you're dealing with osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or just occasional joint discomfort, this video is your roadmap to relief. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a life-changing health tip. And stick around until the end for a bonus tip that could supercharge your results. Let's get started with the first food that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Food number 1, sea salt, the mineral powerhouse for joints. You might think of sea salt as just a seasoning, but it's a hidden gem for soothing aching joints. Unlike processed table salt, which is stripped of nutrients, sea salt, think Himalayan pink or Celtic grey, is a mineral treasure trove. It's packed with magnesium, calcium, and potassium, which work together like a well-oiled machine to relax muscles, lubricate joints, and reduce inflammation. Why does this matter? A 2021 study in the Journal of Pain Research found that magnesium supplementation slashed inflammatory markers by 30% in chronic joint pain patients over 6 months. Magnesium helps your joints stay cushioned by maintaining electrolyte balance, while calcium strengthens bones, and potassium prevents muscle cramps. But here's the kicker: chronic dehydration, especially common in older adults, can dry out the cartilage around your joints, making every movement feel like grinding gears. Sea salt helps your body retain water, keeping joints supple and pain-free. How to use it? Start your day with a glass of warm water mixed with a pinch, about 1/8 teaspoon, of high-quality sea salt. This simple ritual can reduce morning stiffness and nighttime cramps. For an extra boost, try a soothing sea salt bath. Dissolve 1 cup of sea salt in warm bathwater and soak for 20 minutes to ease joint tension. Pro tip: balance is key. Too much sea salt can raise blood pressure, so stick to 1 to 2 teaspoons daily and consult your doctor if you have hypertension. Recipe idea: make a mineral-rich salad dressing by blending 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon sea salt, juice of half a lemon, and a pinch of black pepper. Drizzle over greens for a joint-friendly meal. Food number 2, lemon, the zesty joint protector. Next up is a fruit that's bright, tangy, and bursting with joint healing power: the lemon. Lemons are more than a detox drink staple. They are loaded with vitamin C and bioflavonoids like hesperidin, which supercharge collagen production. Collagen is the scaffolding of your joints, keeping them flexible and cushioned. A medium lemon provides about 30 milligrams of vitamin C, but arthritis patients need up to 200 milligrams daily for optimal results, according to experts. Here's a shocking stat: a 2019 Arthritis Foundation study found that daily lemon water drinkers reported a 25% reduction in joint stiffness after 3 months. Lemons also have an alkalizing effect, neutralizing uric acid, a major culprit in gout, a painful form of arthritis. But the real magic lies in the peel, which most people toss out. Lemon zest is packed with bioflavonoids that fight inflammation and protect joint tissue. How to use it? Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. For maximum benefits, grate a teaspoon of lemon zest into salads, smoothies, or even your morning oatmeal. Pro tip: Moderation is key. Too much lemon can erode tooth enamel or upset sensitive stomachs. Rinse your mouth with water after drinking lemon water to protect your teeth. Recipe idea: whip up a lemon quinoa salad. Cook 1 cup quinoa, then toss with diced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, 1 tablespoon lemon zest, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and a drizzle of olive oil. This anti-inflammatory dish is as delicious as it is healing. Viewer engagement: drop a comment below. Do you already use lemon water in your routine, or are you excited to try it? Let's build a community of joint health warriors. Food number 3, leafy greens, nature's joint guardians. Picture a vibrant plate of spinach, kale, or arugula, not just a salad, but a shield against joint degeneration. Leafy greens are packed with vitamin K, which directs calcium to your bones and away from your joints, where it can cause stiffness. 1 cup of spinach delivers 145 micrograms of vitamin K, exceeding the daily recommendation of 90 to 120 micrograms. A longitudinal study by the National Institutes of Health showed that older adults eating greens 3 times a week had 33% fewer joint issues. Greens also contain antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene, which neutralize free radicals that damage joint tissue. Plus, they boost synovial fluid production, keeping your joints moving smoothly. How to use it: add a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie, toss kale into soups, or make an arugula salad with olive oil and lemon. Cooking greens with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil enhances nutrient absorption. Pro tip: kale contains oxalates, which can block calcium absorption in some people. Rotate your greens and balance raw and cooked preparations to avoid this. Recipe idea: try a kale and avocado smoothie. Blend 1 cup kale, half an avocado, 1 banana, 1 cup almond milk, and a squeeze of lemon. It's a creamy, joint-soothing treat. Food number 4, red bell peppers, the colorful pain reliever. Red bell peppers aren't just a burst of flavor, they are a secret weapon against joint pain. They are loaded with capsaicin, a carotenoid that tames inflammatory cytokines, molecules that fuel arthritis pain. 1 medium pepper provides 169% of your daily vitamin C, outshining oranges, and supporting cartilage repair. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular red pepper eaters saw a 23% reduction in joint pain and improved grip strength after a year. Red peppers also contain beta-carotene and quercetin, which ease osteoarthritis symptoms. How to use it: roast red peppers for soups, stuff them with quinoa and veggies, or slice them raw for salads. Pair with olive oil or avocado to boost absorption of fat-soluble nutrients. Pro tip: roasting enhances capsaicin's bioavailability, so fire up the oven for maximum benefits. Recipe idea: make stuffed red peppers. Hollow out 2 peppers, fill with a mix of cooked quinoa, black beans, diced tomatoes, and a sprinkle of sea salt, then bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Viewer engagement: what's your favorite way to eat red peppers, raw, roasted, or stuffed? Share in the comments to inspire others. Food number 5, eggplant, the purple protector. Eggplant's glossy purple skin isn't just pretty, it's a powerhouse of niacin, an anthocyanin that shields joint tissue from free radical damage. Niacin neutralizes reactive oxygen species, which accelerate cartilage breakdown in arthritis. A medium eggplant also offers 3 grams of fiber, supporting digestion and reducing systemic inflammation. A 2020 American College of Rheumatology study showed a 20% improvement in joint mobility after 12 weeks of eggplant consumption. The skin, often peeled away, holds the most niacin, and chlorogenic acid in eggplant boosts blood flow to inflamed joints. How to use it: roast eggplant slices with olive oil and herbs, blend into baba ganoush, or add to stir fries. Keep the skin on for maximum benefits. Pro tip: some people are sensitive to solanine in eggplants, which can worsen inflammation. If you notice discomfort, limit intake, or consult a doctor. Recipe idea: make a roasted eggplant dip. Roast 1 eggplant at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, scoop out the flesh, and blend with 2 tablespoons tahini, 1 garlic clove, and lemon juice. Food number 6, quinoa, the superfood for cartilage repair. Quinoa isn't just trendy, it's a joint health superstar. This complete protein, 8 grams per cooked cup, contains saponins, natural anti-inflammatory compounds that calm cytokine storms in arthritis. It's also rich in magnesium, 30% of daily needs per serving, easing joint stiffness. A 2018 Journal of Inflammation Research study found that daily quinoa eaters reported a 15% reduction in morning stiffness after 90 days. Quinoa's nutrients support cartilage repair, making it a must for arthritis sufferers. How to use it: rinse quinoa thoroughly to remove bitter saponins, then use it in salads, bowls, or as a side dish. Try it as a breakfast porridge with almond milk and berries. Pro tip: cook quinoa in vegetable broth for extra flavor and nutrient density. Recipe idea: make a quinoa veggie bowl. Combine 1 cup cooked quinoa, roasted red peppers, spinach, avocado, and a sprinkle of sea salt. Top with lemon tahini dressing. Viewer engagement: have you tried quinoa before? Let us know your favorite recipe in the comments. Food number 7, buckwheat, the ancient grain for joint strength. Buckwheat, despite its name, isn't wheat, it's a gluten-free pseudo-grain bursting with rutin, a bioflavonoid that strengthens blood vessels and reduces joint swelling. 1 cup of cooked buckwheat provides 86 milligrams of magnesium and 6 grams of protein, supporting muscle relaxation and cartilage health. A 2021 European Journal of Rheumatology study found that rutin supplementation reduced joint swelling by 18% in osteoarthritis patients. Buckwheat's antioxidants also stabilize collagen levels, protecting joints from wear and tear. How to use it: toast buckwheat groats for a nutty flavor, then use in salads, soups, or as a porridge. Try buckwheat flour in pancakes for a joint-friendly breakfast. Pro tip: toasting reduces bloating, making buckwheat easier to digest. Recipe idea: make buckwheat pancakes. Mix 1 cup buckwheat flour, 1 egg, 1 cup almond milk, and a pinch of sea salt. Cook and top with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. Food number 8, almonds, the crunchy inflammation fighter. Almonds are more than a snack, they are a joint health powerhouse loaded with vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats. 1 ounce, about 23 almonds, provides 76 milligrams of magnesium and 7.3 milligrams of vitamin E, nearly half your daily needs. Vitamin E neutralizes free radicals, protecting joint tissue from oxidative damage. A Harvard Medical School study showed that regular almond eaters had 30% fewer arthritis flare-ups. Almond skins, rich in flavonoids, amplify these anti-inflammatory effects. How to use it: snack on a handful of almonds, add them to salads, or blend into almond butter for smoothies. Soak overnight to enhance digestibility and nutrient absorption. Pro tip: stick to 1 to 2 ounces daily to avoid excess calories, which can strain joints. Recipe idea: make an almond-crusted chicken. Coat chicken breasts with crushed almonds, sea salt, and paprika, then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Viewer engagement: are almonds part of your diet? Share your favorite way to enjoy them below. Food number 9, Brazil nuts, the selenium superstar. Brazil nuts are tiny but mighty, offering one of the richest sources of selenium, a mineral that slows cartilage breakdown and reduces inflammation. Just 1 nut provides 96 micrograms of selenium, exceeding the daily recommendation of 55 micrograms. A 2019 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found that eating 2 Brazil nuts daily for 3 months reduced joint stiffness by 45% and improved mobility by 20% in rheumatoid arthritis patients. Selenium lowers inflammatory markers like IL-6 and TNF-alpha. How to use it: eat 1 to 2 Brazil nuts daily as a snack, chop into salads, or blend into smoothies. Store in the fridge to keep oils fresh. Pro tip: limit to 4 to 5 nuts daily to avoid selenium toxicity, which can cause nausea or fatigue. Recipe idea: make a Brazil nut pesto. Blend 5 Brazil nuts, 1 cup basil, 1 garlic clove, 1/4 cup olive oil, and a pinch of sea salt. Toss with zucchini noodles. Food number 10, seeds, tiny titans of joint health. Don't underestimate the power of seeds: flax, chia, and pumpkin seeds are inflammation-fighting champions. Flax seeds deliver 2.35 grams of omega-3 oil per tablespoon, while chia seeds offer 4.9 grams of fiber per ounce, supporting gut health and reducing systemic inflammation. Pumpkin seeds provide zinc, crucial for collagen synthesis. A 2020 arthritis research and therapy study showed that flax seed supplementation reduced morning stiffness by 25% and joint swelling by 10% after 12 weeks. Seeds lignans also protect joints from oxidative damage. How to use it: grind flax seeds and add to smoothies or oatmeal. Soak chia seeds overnight for puddings. Roast pumpkin seeds for a crunchy snack. Pro tip: grinding flax unlocks nutrients, as whole seeds pass through undigested. Recipe idea: make a chia pudding. Soak 2 tablespoons chia seeds in 1 cup almond milk overnight, then top with berries and a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds. Viewer engagement: which seeds are you excited to try, flax, chia, or pumpkin? Let us know in the comments. Bonus tip: lifestyle strategies for joint health. While these foods are game changers, a holistic approach amplifies their effects. Here are 3 bonus strategies. 1. Stay active. Low-impact exercises like swimming or yoga improve joint mobility. A 2023 Journal of Orthopedic Research study found that 30 minutes of daily movement reduced arthritis pain by 20%. 2. Manage stress. Chronic stress spikes cortisol, worsening inflammation. Try meditation or deep breathing. Studies show 10 minutes daily lowers inflammatory markers by 15%. 3. Prioritize sleep. Poor sleep impairs cartilage repair. Aim for 7 to 8 hours nightly, as per a 2024 sleep medicine study linking better sleep to less joint pain. Your path to pain-free living. You've just unlocked the power of 10 foods to fight joint pain and arthritis naturally. From the mineral magic of sea salt to the tiny but mighty seeds, these remedies are your toolkit for a healthier, more mobile life. But this is just the beginning. Commit to small, consistent changes. Swap table salt for sea salt, add a handful of greens, or snack on Brazil nuts and watch your joints thank you. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Drop a comment below what's one food you're excited to try, or what's your biggest joint health challenge. I'm here to support you every step of the way. For more ways to protect your health, check out the video linked on your screen. Together, let's reclaim your mobility and live pain-free. See you in the next video.